In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom roles in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Custom roles let you control exactly what team members can see and do, which is essential for clean books and strong internal controls. You'll need QuickBooks Online Advanced and admin level access to follow along. Start on your company dashboard. Look to the upper right and open the settings menu by clicking the gear icon. This is your hub for account level configuration. From here, choose Manage Users. This page centralizes user access, and it's where you'll define the guardrails that keep your data secure. At the top of the Manage Users area, go to the Roles tab. This is where all custom roles live. To add a new one, select Add Role. You'll land on the role creation page, which has three core elements: a name, a description, and a set of permissions. Give the role a clear, specific name that your team will instantly understand. For example, include the function and scope, like Sales Estimates Only or AP's Vendor Bills. Next, write a short but meaningful description. Spell out what this role is responsible for and anything it should not do. Good names and descriptions save time later and reduce mistakes when you are assigning access. Now, set the permissions. You'll see categories grouped by workflow. Expand a category to fine-tune what this role can do. For example, open the sales permissions to control access to estimates, invoices, and related tasks. Within a category, choose the level of access that matches the job. If this role needs full control over estimates, adjust the setting for estimates to the highest level so they can create, edit, and manage them. If you want them to view only, choose a lower level. The goal is least privilege. Give exactly what's needed, nothing more. As you work through categories, think about separation of duties. For example, the person creating sales estimates might not need to view banking or run company-wide reports. Keeping permissions tight protects both your data and your team. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks stores the role so it's ready to use anytime you add or update a user. A quick tip before you move on: document the role name and intent in your internal procedures. That way, if your team grows, everyone understands which role to assign for each job function. That's it. You've created a custom role in QuickBooks Online Advanced, giving your team the access they need. No more, no less, while keeping your books secure and your workflows efficient.